So number 8 in the 20 things to do with an old object matrix faceplate, the tea strainer. There's nothing us Brits love more than a lovely cup of tea. So when someone suggested we make a tea strainer from an old object matrix faceplate, we were ready to accept the challenge. Not satisfied with making just one cup of tea, we thought we'd make a system to make 4 cups of tea at once with this faceplate. Hopefully it all won't go to pot. Teapot. First off, we've got to make some modifications to this faceplate. So, boiling hot water, ready-made tea rack. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah, not quite what we had in mind. We have quite some leakage. There is some tea being made, has to be said. Smells nice. Pour on this one. Okay, let's try this tea out, shall we? So, a bit of milk. Yeah. That's cheers. Oh, lovely. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh my god, that's awful.